It feels good, man. It feels good, right? Yo, I'm in the light at the end of the tunnel.
It is Opportunity Day. Woo! Woo! Who is ready to keep more of your own money and take it back from the people that are stealing it out of your houses?
Go to the Opportunity Hall. You need your taxes. You need your utility assistance. Oh, we're making resumes on site and a job there.
Dive right in, let's go. No more than dip in the toe. Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah. Dive right in, let's go. No more than dip in your toe. Let the rhythm take control. It's going down tonight, yeah.
This is our community showing up like they show up every single day. You had a car loan at 29.9% interest. By the way, that's criminal, y'all. Nobody deserves that.
They are going to refinance my vehicle and slash it in half. That's a lot of money to me.
$1,300.
I struggle, so that's a lot of money to me. So.
$1,300. And how many seconds did that take? It was like 30 seconds.
Yes, credit unions are amazing.
Trey, is this for real?
It's for real. It's for real.
Yeah, it's going down tonight, yeah. It's going down. Yeah.
How much is she gonna save overall?
$5,000.
Opportunity looks good on me.
Yes, it does.
It sure does.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today was absolutely amazing. I mean, Opportunity Knocks is absolutely the perfect name.
Today has meant a whole lot. There's a lot of really great people who just want to help people.
You know, when life knocks you down, don't give up. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Never give up.
It's going down tonight, yeah. Dive right in, let's go. No more than dip in your toe. Let's go.
This whole experience has been inspiring, encouraging. I learned a lot of resources, things, you know, that I didn't even know that was out there for everyone.